Want to learn Python but don't know where to start? In the next 6 minutes, you'll understand the basics and get practice questions to cement your learning. Let's go! Python is a beginner-friendly programming language used everywhere from AI to websites. Think of it like English for computers. It's popular because the code reads almost like normal sentences. Whether you want to build apps, analyze data, or explore AI, Python is your foundation. We'll skip the boring stuff and focus on what actually matters. Variables store information, like boxes holding data. Data types include numbers, text, and true-false values. Functions are reusable chunks of code. Loops repeat actions. Conditions make decisions. These 5 concepts power 90% of Python programs. Mastering them takes practice, not memorization. Don't worry if it feels confusing. Everyone starts here. Here are 3 beginner questions. Create a variable with your name. Write a function that adds 2 numbers. Use a loop to print numbers, 1 through 5. Work through these slowly. Don't rush. Understanding matters more than speed. The answers are simple, but the thinking process builds real skills you'll use constantly. Download our free Python practice guide from the link below. It includes 20 questions with solutions. Try coding these examples yourself today. Join thousands learning Python with us. The best way to learn is by doing, not watching. Start small, stay consistent, and you'll be amazed at your progress within weeks. Drop a comment telling us what you'll build with Python. Subscribe and hit the bell to unlock more beginner programming tutorials.